Hello children, welcome back. This is Maushami Chakravarti and today I will be discussing with you on chapter number 6 staffing part 6, that is training. Concept of training and development. Training is the process by which aptitude, skills and abilities of the employees are increased to perform specific job. We can also tell that it is an attempt to improve the employee's performance by increasing his abilities to perform through learning. The impact of training is to increase the knowledge and skill and improve the improvement of the attitude and behavior of the employees towards the job and the organization. Development. It refers to the learning opportunities designed for the employee's growth. It is also told that development leads to the growth of an employee in all respect. It denotes the process by which the employee acquires skills and competency to do their present job and increase their capabilities for handling higher jobs in future. Education. It is the process by increasing the knowledge and understanding of the employees. We can also say that it develops a logical and rational mind that can help the interpretation of various phenomena. Its scope is wider than training, which is concerned with increasing knowledge and skill in doing a particular job. Why training is important? Because it increases the job complexity, changing expectation of consumers and the society, continuous advancement of technology. Benefits of training. First, systematic learning. It is a systematic learning program which helps to reduce the learning time to reach the acceptable level of performance. Second, greater productivity. A well-trained employee usually shows greater productivity and higher quality to work output than an untrained employee. Third, higher morale. The morale of an employee is increased if they are given proper training. This would help to reduce dissatisfaction, absenteeism and turnover among the employees. Fourth, preparation of future manager. Training equips the employees to handle emergencies in future and occupy higher position in the organization. And fifth, effective response to environment. Training helps in preparing people for effective response to the economic and technological changes. Acquisition of skill. Employees acquire new skills and knowledge which help them to improve their career prospect. Higher wages, that is the productivity of the worker is increased as a result of training, because of which they can earn higher wages and bonuses. Industrial safety. Trained workers are less prone to accident as they handle the machines carefully. And the last one, higher jobs and satisfaction and morale. That is, training help in increasing the job satisfaction and morale of the employees. These were certain benefits of training specially given to the employees. Comparison of training and development. When we talk about training, it means imparting skills and knowledge for doing a particular job. It enables the employee to do the job in a better way. It is a job centered in nature. It seeks to make the worker proficient in their existing job. It is short-term process. On the other hand, development means growth of an employee in all respect. It enables the overall growth of the employees. It is career-centered in nature and seeks to prepare the employees for handling higher level job. It takes place over a longer period of time. It is an ongoing process. The next part of the chapter will be continued in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.